Return to me.
If y'all don't freaking stop it, I'm gonna beat everybody's ass. And I don't think they think I'm playing.
Don't like how this feels. Repair the past and give it back to me.
All praise to the Most High and to His Son. Welcome. Why are you staring at me like you just gonna make me blush? I missed him so much. How y'all doing? To Roy, welcome to Royal Outcast. Look, I can't even talk. I'm shaking the table and everything. How y'all doing today? Yoobity toobity dooby. Today I'm doing a review on the Red Fern here in Rochester, New York. Hey, 100% vegan, plant-based food. Yes, it's about to go down. I'm going that route. Now I might backslide. What is it, backslide? Yes, there you go. I'm hope so. I don't. And I do not like the, y'all know how I did with the Incredible Burger. So let's see how this goes. So I didn't even look. I got like 4 different containers. I got these containers, and I got, the first one I got is the entree special. Now let's look. I ain't see it yet. Let's see. This is the entree special, and this is the week's entree special. It's a cashew fettuccine alfredo with the Morningstar Farm. I can talk. Grilled chicken. You know that fake chicken me and I was at the grocery store. That. And this rotisserie broccoli with cashew parmesan and garlic toasted vegan option, gluten free. So let's see. I'm scared. Now I'm not gonna eat everything until I explain it. That's what that looks like. I'll eat it. And then the next one, what is it? I got everything here on the tablet. You want some juice? Now this one is a warrior rack. Okay, this is rotisserie chickpea salad with pecans and sunflower seeds and dried cranberries, coconut oil and fresh dill with kale and a whole wheat wrap with lemon mayo and cucumbers, served with a side of vegan. I don't know. That's where I stop. So let's look. That looks sad. That looks sad. What is that? Red Fern, what is up? What is that? Where is the lettuce? The presentation is key. What is this? They could have had with a better, I don't know, something. Look at it. What is that? Okay. And now we're going to do, I'm going to say that. Yes. Let's see which one. Oh, no. Lord, no. Not that one. Now, this one is it's a classic cheesecake. And this with the cherry. They burned the hell out of it. I don't know what they did. It's vegan cheese. Oh, Lord. So, we got that. And then this one right here, my. Now, everybody know I like Oreos, but I like the golden ones. So this is the Golden Mint Oreo slice cake. Now from right there, it looked kind of like a dry brick, but it smells delicious. So let's get this situated. Let me pray. See, like, I'm about to put this. Now, I got the crew. I got a couple of the crew. My goodness. I'm just putting this over here. My goodness. What, you want to lick it now? Take it. Goodness. I don't know where to start. It is sweet. Ah, shoot. It's sweet. Don't. Let me try this. I had to. Let me try it. Hang on. Hey, get daddy some of this.
He said his mouth was watering.
Hezekiah mouth watering. His mouth watering for me, not this food. Okay, this that chickpea, okay. This stuff. That's good. Hey, what? The hell with the presentation. You know, presentation is very good. You know, I went to school culinary arts. You know, it's good, but damn. I guess when your food good like that, you like the hell with it. I'm just gonna put it in here. There you go. You gonna bite it? You gonna share around the table? Now, I want to make sure to tell everybody, please make sure you wash your hands, don't touch your face. We got this stuff going around. We share because we all in the same house. We good. What do you want? What you want? What you want? You better take a bite out of this one. Now we got this one. I'm scared. But that one was bomb. Isn't that good? Oh my. I love broccoli. Did y'all know broccoli is a man-made fruit and vegetable? I can't even say a fruit. God help me. It's a vegetable. What else is a man-made vegetable? Cauliflower.
Brussels sprouts. Collard greens.
Hang on.
Kale.
Hang on. Now, I've been making fun of my sister for years. I'm gonna have to make fun of myself. This is fake chicken. This that fake chicken. This is delicious. Oh my god, look at it, look at it. Y'all want some? Bite it! Y'all hear the baby? He said hello. That's gonna be in my chitty milk later. The baby's still there. Oh no, where'd it go? Where'd it go? I don't know. This is good. Oh Lord. Can you get the baby? Can you get the baby? Gotta clean my palate. Gotta clean my palate. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna have hope. There's hope, guys. Sis, there's hope. There's hope. The rep. Oh my goodness. The rest. Hang on. I'm gonna take a bite. They got these sesame seeds, man. Why you staring on my face then? Oh, you want this? Why you didn't bite when I passed it along? Girl, look, this bomb. All of this is great. This is great. I'm gonna call them out. I'm gonna call them up right here. I sure am. Oh my goodness. I tried the cheesecake. It look burnt on the side. I want to bite it. Take it. Is that supposed to be vegan? I think so. There's hope. There's hope. Now let's try the chocolate cake. That's Nayeli. What is this? What's something on the side of it? I don't know what the hell that is. What is this? I'm trying to poke at my stomach. I'm sticking down. Here we go. Go get that. Hush his mouth. Just pop it in his mouth. Here, give her this. Pop it in her mouth. It is mint too. Look at it. Look at it.
Chocolate cake.
Is it good? You like it?
It tastes like toothpaste.
It don't taste like toothpaste. It don't. It just got the mint.
Awesome. Mommy. I want that.
Come here. You want the mint cake, huh? Oh, you want to try the other one? Juju likes it too. Okay. What do you want? Shut, please. You do like this. YouTube, I don't know. Help me.
It's so good.
Tabitha? You know what you talking
She
about.
wants some too.
Oh man, I can't wait.
Got some chocolate.
I need some food stamps or something because I'm about to be all vegan, vegetarian out. I'm going to the grocery store tomorrow. Okay? And I'm going to be all in there like, I need some of this pasta. What kind of pasta did they use? I got, we're going to do some recipes or something. What is that? Huh. I don't know. I don't know.
Some pasta.
Didn't you just have lunch?
I didn't have one.
You did have lunch.
I didn't.
Huh. I don't know if they use regular pasta or, I don't know, I gotta find out. Cause I need to know. I need to know. I really do.
Mom, is it over?
No, it's not over.
It's on.
Yes, it is on. You wanna say hi?
Hi.
Bite this. What is that? Is that an avocado? What is that? Oh, that's a cucumber. How that taste? Now this taste. Bite that side. I'm like you. How's that? How that taste? Alright, you go like that. Thumbs up. Red Fern?
Ow.
You okay, buddy?
Yeah, okay.
I'm not about to sit here and eat all this food with y'all right now. If you don't, I'm gonna get you. You keep on with your little booger in your nose. You gotta get there. You up there putting your little fingers in my cake.
It's my
all mine. I'm going to share. You see my shirt? It says Ruth, Mary, Sarah, Esther. Squad goals. For real, Abe. Squad goals. Squad. No, them squad goals. Amazon. Squad goals. But why? Heck, he just digging his hands in my cake, Red Fern.
Can I have the spoon?
No, you can't have no spoon. Take that. Well, it looks like I ain't gonna be able to just eat this by myself, so I'm gonna have to share. So I'm about to get off this video, okay? So, you want to sing it, Gidget? She like she don't want to sing. You want to sing with me? Please. It don't go like that. How it go, Juju?
Please come in.
Like and subscribe, baby.
Please comment, like and subscribe. Hit that notification.
For you can get a surprise. Please comment, like and subscribe.